Oh!
Oh man!
Look at it! Oh! Look at that! Oh!
Found debris falling from the sky.
Wow!
Shot right there.
Let's do that
We
one
just
again.
got to the station. Jovi just walked right on up and said he's ready. Cocky.
Right. Cocky.
Back it up, baby. Back it up. Here we go.
Remember, this is a trick shot. It's against the sun.
It's true, it is.
Oh! Got it.
That's way in the
Yeah, we didn't see nothing. We didn't see nothing. One thing we saw was your head move.
See. Pull. Way off.
Rookie.
Okay. Pull.
Oh!
Nice.
Woo!
That was kind of long distance in that one.
Jovi's the only one that didn't hit nothing on this target.
What?
All right, it's a face-off. Ruel versus Jovi. Let's go.
Pull. The tree got in the way, man. We would have hit it.
Excuses.
Me. Me. Ready, pull.
Got Jovi right here. Sean right here. Jovi has the most easiest spot and yet can't hit nothing.
Yeah, Sean got that one.
Once again, right in front of him. Right in front of him, he can't even hit it.
Ready? Ooh, nice.
That was the guy next door.
Say when.
Boom! Don't be scared now.
Ready.
All right.
Go. Yeah, I got a tip for that one.
Nice.
Woo! Look at that.
That was a good one.
It's getting hot.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?